Well, even as the Colgate storm has put the government on the back foot and the Prime Minister in a spot, in an exclusive interview to our political editor Navika Kumar, Union Minister Kamal Nath has said that the Prime Minister is willing to answer any questions on the coal allocations. Here's an excerpt from that interview.
So you're saying the politicians will never have any accountability? It will always stop at the bureaucrat?
We have a political executive. And the question is whether the political executive instigated it, drove it to such a situation. Nobody is saying that the Prime Minister is corrupt. Nobody is saying there's anything wrong in it. We are talking about the process. Now, if in the process
involved the Prime Minister.
The governmental process where it goes up to the political executive is there. That's in everything. Now, this way, nobody is accountable. Only the minister who finally signs the file. There are so many files which have come to me in my ministerial career where I cannot even remember that you have just signed it because this was what everybody had said. This was what was generally agreed. They are supposed to have gone into it. They are supposed to have examined it from all points of view. So I signed it. Now am I to be held responsible?
So it's always the senior most bureaucrat where the buck will stop?
It is the system. That is the system. How does the government function? Now, if you say the Prime Minister directed it, the Prime Minister said, give this to Mr. Birla. He did not. That's not the charge. The charge is he happened to be the coal minister at that time. Now, if he happened to be the coal minister and everybody has said this, is the Prime Minister, who is also the coal minister, to be looking at every minute aspect, who met whom, what were the reasons?
So that's the immunity that the CBI is giving him, that he's not supposed to be looking at the minute details?
It's not the immunity. The CBI is looking at it factually. That where did it start? Did it start at the experts' end? Did it go through a committee? Did it not go through this? Then who's supposed to be?
But those questions were not raised by the Prime Minister on file.
It's still there. I mean, the CBI may choose, I don't know, to even talk to the Prime Minister on this.
So you're saying that option is open? That the Prime Minister could be questioned?
That is for the CBI to decide, not for me. The CBI, I think all options are always open to the CBI. They've got to exercise their judgment that what will assist in the investigation.
And if that happens, would the Prime Minister be willing to talk about his tenure as a coal minister? I mean, that's probably never happened before. Are you saying it's a possibility that is in the realm of reality?
The Prime Minister is a citizen of this country. The law applies to him equally. If the CBI believes that is going to assist in the investigation, well, and they ask him some questions, he would certainly reply because he's nothing to hide. The law is not above him. So why not?
And of course, do remember to watch that entire interview with Kamal Nath on Saturday 9:30 p.m. only on Times Now.